Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to send tracking number to customer on Shopify dropshipping. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify admin page and click on the orders button. After that, choose that order in which you want to track your order number and click on start fulfilling. Now click on fulfill items button. After that, click on add tracking option. Now here you have to fulfill all the tracking details that you have, the tracking ID and everything. So after that, save it, click on the save button. And now here you see the tracking number. Click the tracking number and it directly show the result of your product. So that's how you will add tracking number to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.